A long pending issue between cement transporters and government has finally reached a breakthrough. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tensong and Singaphalang Dhar today chair a joint meeting with the Meghalaya Cement Transporter Owner and Drivers Association and representative of cement companies in Shillong. Following the discussion, the government decided to fix a uniform transportation rate of ₹9 per ton per kilometers within Meghalaya, replacing the earlier variable rate of ₹7 to ₹11. Deputy Chief Minister Singaphalang Dhar described the talks as very good and positive, saying the new rate ensure fairness and prevent exploitation of local trucks owners. The meeting also discussed increasing the quota of local trucks and for cement loading, while the quota has been raised from 80 to 100 trucks per day. A decision on the demand for 120 will be taken in the next meeting, likely on November 21st, to be chaired by Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma.
Meetings was held between the cement associations and all the three transport associations, and the meeting is it's a very good and nice meeting, and it's a very positive meeting, and some part we have decided today and some other part is we'll meet again sometime next week.
So what are the decisions arrived at?
Decision we take, number one is we have put the fare is, before it was between 7 to 11, and today we decide only one fare, ₹9 per kilometer.
Okay.
And all the transporters are happy with that.
What about this 9 rupees is for?
Type of roads, but within Meghalaya. 9 rupees per ton per kilometer within Meghalaya.
What type of roads?
Yes.
What about loading?
Loading.
Because they
No,
want
we didn't talk about loading. We are talking about loading.
So
That
what-
it falls accordingly.
So other areas where agreement were arrived at.
Yeah, okay, you see, within the state of Meghalaya, the same rate will prevail. ₹9 per ton per kilometer. And the loading or loading is different subjects.
The association also raised other pending issue related to legal cases and compensation, which will be taken up separately with the Home Department. Representatives from 8 cement companies, district official and member of MCTODA attended the meeting.
One of our main demand, that is to have a fixed rate of ₹9. It has been, the government has approved, and the Deputy Chief Minister in charge Home himself has taken the decision that it might take 1 day or two. They'll come up with a new modification that will be ₹9 per kilometer per metric ton within Meghalaya. That is for the intrastate. So this is one of the agenda which the government has listened to us, including the cement factories has anonymously decided that they will comply or abide by the government decision. And another one is about the coal loading or the cement loading trucks, which the association have demanded that there should be a quota. But for now, there are around 80 trucks. That is the quota for the local truckers. But after the deliberation with the Chief Minister, as per demand, the trucks, the cement factories has agreed with an extra 20 trucks. It has come to 100, but our demand is it should be 120. So about this particular agenda, it will be decided soon in a meeting that will be chaired by the Deputy Chief Minister himself again.
Full ground blazing today to enforce the notification passed by the government on 13 passed by the government, like giving the 7 rupees per ton minimum to maximum 11 ton. Then from our side, we asked the company in front of the government, our deputy chief ministers, both the deputy chief ministers, that they always want to enforce this rule 7 to 11. Why? Because they want to squeeze us. That will take the lowest rate. Then from our side, we said, now till now you are squeezing us at the lowest rate. You are giving us 7 to 11. Why not give us now at the 11 rupees? because according to the times. But after a long discussion, then we said that to avoid all confrontation, if you don't want us to give the 11 rupees per ton, you should fix us a fixed rate. Don't give this rate 7 to 11, because this will give a chance, an open door for them to squeeze the stakeholders who are having trucks, the drivers and the truck owners.